Hey friends, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to another product review. So I got the WAYIDSS cargo, or these liners for my Subaru Ascent. This is for a 2024 Subaru Ascent. So we always like to get mats that are nice and protective. So these are for front, back, middle, and trunk. All these mats. So there's only a few that had all those options. So I'm going to be putting this in the Subaru and see how well they fit. So far these look pretty decent. Go and cover all portions of the car here. We're going to put it in there and see how well it is. And these look pretty nice as well. So you can see the nice edging around here, so deep and stuff. So if you do get in your car and put your feet down or whatever and get like water in there, it's not going to go all over into your carpet and stuff like that. So that's cool. And here's the driver's side one right there. Okay, so that looks pretty nice. Let's actually get this little white mark on there. All right. Let's go stick this in the car and see how well these fit, shall we? Alrighty, my friends, here we are on the outside, and this is the cargo space prior to prior to the new mats, and this is what it looks like here. I don't know if I'm gonna have to remove these mats first and then put the other ones in, or I can put those right on top, but I'll let you know when I get them in there. And here is the front space here. And the driver's side, of course. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see how well these fit in here. So let's do that, shall we? All right, friends, here it is. And the fit is nearly perfect. If I didn't have the carpet underneath, we're just leaving the carpet under. If I took that out, it would fit even better, but this is pretty flawless anyways. I really like it. And there's the driver's side. Moving over to the middle row seat here. Once again, it just contours every part of it almost perfectly. Very happy with how this is fitting in here. And then this is the last row seat here, as you can see, also contouring very nicely along the edges here, and some of it's a little stuck up in a couple parts. It's because I have the carpet underneath, and it's bent in shipping, so it'll settle out after a while, but if you want it to, you can like put a weight on it and it'll help it do that as well. So let's move this seat forward a little bit. We can see this right here on the side, and we can just see how this see, once again, I have a carpet underneath here, so if it didn't have that, this would fit even better, as it's supposed to come down a little bit here and fit where that carpet is. So that looks really good there. And then finally, the rear portion is right here. And once again, this was bent here in shipping, but you can place some weights on that too if you want to hold that down. But really nice way to protect your investment, keep your carpets from getting dirty. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.